right? I will go at top level. Whatever I'm showing you now is at top level. I'm not going down each and every topic in the syllabus level, which date, what we'll be covering. No, very top level. 01, right? We would be starting with introduction, cloud intro. That's what we'll be dealing today. Cloud intro, types, modules, deployments, so basic introduction about cloud computing. 02, right? This all comes under introduction classes. Introduction, right? All introductions. Because you're new, you should be knowing what is a cloud, what is this. This whole introduction will take 2 to 3 days. 2 to 3 days. Salesforce intro. Salesforce introduction. What is a Salesforce, right? Environment creation. What is the development environment, dev environment, setup, understanding, everything will cover. I'm giving a very top level, guys. Very top level I'm giving, right? 2 to 3 days we'll proceed. Then we will start consulting module, right? Consulting. We'll start your consulting module. What we'll learn in this? We will learn Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, right? Marketing Cloud. I'll say Sales and Marketing Cloud, right? Sales and Marketing Cloud. We will cover CPQ, CLM, right? And advanced consulting concepts. Right? As I told you, these are very top level. If you see the syllabus sheet, it will be more than 1 page. Here I'm just giving in 3 lines, right? So this is very top level, guys. Once again, I'm repeating it out, right? Inside the sales, there's a lot of things, right? Sales cycle, lead management, quote management, right? Marketing has a campaign management, service has a contract, right? Cases, solution, right? Schedules, all these, there's a lot of things are there inside it, but I'm just going in at very top level. This will take 1 week. 1 week, 2 days. Let's say that this will take almost about, right, 8 to 10 days max. After this, we will jump to admin. Administration. This will take almost about 1 month, 15 days. 1 month to 1 month, 15 days, roughly. Right? Let me give the week. 4 to 5 weeks. So that you can 4 to 5 weeks. Let me put this 1 week, 1 week, 2 days. So 1 week, 4 to 5 days. Inside this, it's a huge ocean. I'll be covering everything from user administration, user admin, data admin, all your data uploads, downloads, backups, security administration. Right? Then communication admin. Then monitoring. All monitoring, right? Monitoring, right? Next, objects creation, objects app. Now is coming the development. Objects app, right? Complete. Here you have relationships, validation rules, right? Report, sorry, record type, right? Then so many things. It's a big topic again. Next, we will say rule admins. How to create rules, different rules, escalation rule, case rules, account team rules, contact team rules, all rule based. Then we will go with analytics, wave analytics, all reports, dashboard. Then, right, we will go with automation, robotics. There is a lot of things inside it. Robotics, right? We will have approval builder, flow builder, right? Workflow, process builder, notification builder, and so many things. App builder, right? Then we will see territory management. Right? This is a very big concept. Automation is again a big concept, right? So complete, we will see advanced admin concepts. I'm just walking you on the top level, guys. Once again, I'm saying, don't think this is a syllabus sheet. No, this is, we call them as a helicopter view. From the helicopter, you're seeing, right? You are not able to see, right, everything at a lower level, at a top level. 4 weeks, 5 weeks will go into administration. Then, right, we will get into development. Apex development. This will take, right, 6 weeks, 1.5 months. 6 weeks, 1.5 months to 2 months. 6 weeks it will take, 1.5 months almost. 6 weeks. 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, right? You can see that, I can say it's a, right, 7 weeks. 7 plus 4 or 5, 11 or 12 weeks, plus 1, 13 weeks, 3 months. Another couple of days here and there. So total 7 weeks. Here you will learn UI development with Visual Force framework. You will run complete Apex, a big concept, whole Apex. I don't want to get into that. It's complete, right? Full Apex programming. Then we will cover object-oriented programming. We will see synchronous and asynchronous, future Apex, batch Apex, schedule Apex, Kubel Apex. All this comes under this. It's again a big topic. We will talk about SOSL, SOQL, right? We will talk about controllers. What are the different controllers we have? Getters, setters, extension, page controller, standard controller, custom controller, right? All controllers, complete controllers. Then we will talk about Java, right? JavaScript, Ajax, jQuery. How to use these in Salesforce. Next, right, we'll talk about deployment. All the deployments, all the 6 deployment I will cover, right? All the 6 type of deployment. Deployment with Ant, deployment ID, Visual Studio Code, deployment with packages, deployment with Workbench, right? So deploying with Chainset and any other third-party deployment tool. We will cover complete deployments. You have everything, guys. It's a very top level. There is a lot of concept. Each one of them, Visualforce has, Apex has a long list. Here, you have everything. S object, collection, map, list, getters, right? You have a triggers, before trigger, after triggers, right? Wafer class, what is a wafer, right? Interfaces, you have a lot of things here. Methods, classes, static, non-static, void, non-void, right? So you have everything inside the Apex. I'm just giving a simple word, Apex. This is how, and last, integration. Integration. This is the last that we'll be covering. I will be sharing all the recordings of integration. Integration is another 4 weeks class. 4 week. Now you see that it's going to the 4th month. Till here, your 3 months is over. Your 3 months over. Every day 1.5 hours, 3 months over. Right? This is another additional 1 more month. A part of your syllabus. We will be sharing the recording, classroom recording, my recording only. It's not by someone else, not a Google. Live recording, live integrations, right? Live integrations, real-time integrations, complete from zero. How the integration concept is, what is a concept, how it starts, what is the REST, what is a SOAP, what is XML, what is JSON, right? XML, JSON, REST, HTTP, REST, SOAP, REST authentication, auth, everything is covered, which we'll share by video recording. You'll get it. This is how we will proceed with the syllabus. This is how we will proceed with the syllabus. Anybody has any questions? Anybody feels that something is missing here, right? Because it's a top level. Suddenly you say, hey, somebody told me this topic, but I'm not able to see here. If you see, right, I told you this is just a top level. Don't worry about your syllabus. Everything is covered. Yes, tell me.
I was just asking that Apex also is covering under the development only, right?
Obviously,
Apex,
right?
something
Apex
I
is
heard. Yeah.
Yeah, Apex under the development. Here, see, it's there. Apex is a big topic. The whole programming language is Apex. The whole development means Apex.
Yep.
That's it. So you'll be learning complete Apex from me. That's the reason I didn't expanded it to, data types, different types of data types, constant, transactional statement, right? Exceptional statement, loops, right? Conditional statements. I'm not going into those one topic.
So this is
Everything
not related
Apex.
to this one. Regarding light web component, are you doing in separate
Yes.
batch or separate course
Separate
is there, sir?
batch. Right.
Okay,
There's a separate
fine,
batch.
fine.
Now
Yep.
the separate course. Another course. COURSE, course B. What is the course B? Lightning development. Lightning development with LWC included in single course. This is another 2 months. Course B is another 2 months. Another 2 months. Another 2 months. Here, again, lot of topic in Lightning. Everything I'm covering. From your component binding, controller, kind-side controller, server-side controllers, your tokens, interfaces, Lightning events, all the events, methods, right? Lightning data services, dynamic components, Lightning out, everything. That's a big syllabus again. 2 months. I just don't want to go into that. For syllabus sheet, you can ask. Complete advanced LWC. When I say advanced, I'm covering those topic LMS, Lightning message service, jest, right? Singleton. Nobody. I am giving you the bet that nobody is covering these all because they were just released a month back. 1 month back. Just LMS, Singleton, right? PubSub, right? All these other in the LWC, these are the advanced topic that came just recently. My class even covers that advanced topic, right? That's the reason I say with advanced concept, you can start comparing, right? So that is course B. I will let you know when the course B will be starting, right? Any questions, guys?